Thanks to Ylva the Red, I created my own needle from a recycled arm from a pair of glasses. I drilled a hole with a hot pointed, pliers. One from a jewelry set, got a rounded pointed end, just heated it up and drove it through. It was already red, and then just painted it with a little gold, just to give it a little, and it already had rhinestones on it. But reduce, recycle, reuse. If you don't have one, make one. So I didn't have one, so I made one. Again, thanks to Ylva the Red for showing me Nalbinding. Now I have my own Nalbinding needle. Right? Thank you.